This property is super dynamic, and it's because of the location here in Coquitlam. It's such a double threat. Obviously right now we're in the tranquil woods here, complete silence, but you still have all the amenities such as SkyTrain, the community center, cultural center, Coquitlam Center. What I love so much about Coquitlam is whether you're a downsizer, upsizer, first-time home buyer, you can take in all the picturesque West Coast nature living and mix it with urban sophistication. So we have the Coquitlam River here, and we're in February. You can imagine how beautiful it will be here in the summer. Come down here, there's some really nice pockets where you can actually get in, take a dip, get your dog go swimming, and even take some of your tubes out with your friends. This property is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, just under 900 square feet. The owners did an amazing job upgrading the bathroom, the kitchens. You can see these beautiful shiplap feature walls that are throughout the home as well. I'm excited for you to check this one out. I'm Kyle Mark from the Kyle Mark Real Estate Group, powered by eXp Realty. Welcome home.